Hi guys, this is Irfan from smartincubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to break down GBPUSD and EURUSD for you. Today's March 14th. I want to show you exactly what happened during New York session. It's going to blow your mind. So I'm going to start with EURUSD first. I'll show you something very, very interesting that happened exactly when New York session started. So I'm on a 5-minute time frame, as you can see, and as you know, I'm a scalper. I want to get in and out of the market like in 25 minutes, max 30 minutes, and I start with 5-minute time frame all the time. But it's way better to do a top-down analysis. You can start from 1 hour and then do 50 minutes and then 5 minutes, so you can have a clear picture. So on a 15-minute time frame, as you can see, the trend is definitely bearish because of these lower lows and lower highs that the market's kind of structures, and here we have a major break of a structure towards upside. But if you watch my previous videos, you'll notice that I always talk about the overall trends, and you need to kind of zoom out to find out what the trend of the market is. So in this case here, when we have this break of a structure, yes, it's a very, very good indicator that the market is probably trying to change its direction. But if you look at the bigger picture, you notice that the trend of the market is bearish, and this is just a very quick correction because there's no higher highs and higher lows to show that the market is trying to be bullish. We have lower lows and lower highs, and this break of a structure is kind of a correction. But in this case, what I do, the first thing I do is to identify all high probability supply and demand zones. So as you can see, one of them is right here on a 15-minute time frame. This is a high probability supply zone because we have this here we have a high probability order block, I would call it, but it's a supply zone, right? So here we have this support level as well. This is not a high probability order block, this is just a support level. But since we have a bearish market, I'm going to target this zone around this area. So I'm just waiting for the price to come back and tap into this level, and if it gives me a bearish momentum, I'm going to take my sell. And what had happened was we had a bullish engulfing candle here, and then after that it literally tapped into this level. So I switched my time frame to 5 minutes immediately, and then I noticed here that we have a bearish engulfing candle right after the price tapped into this level. So what you could do is to take your sell position from here right after the candle closed, put your stop loss here and your TP somewhere around here. You can put it here. It's a beautiful 1-to-1. It's a little bit more than 1-to-1 risk reward ratio trade, and as you can see, this is exactly what happened. It was a really good trade. It also came all the way down here, and then after that we had this liquidity grab. It didn't break below this level. It's just a liquidity grab because we have a shadow that the candle didn't get closed. And after that, the market just literally went up. And if you wanted to leave a runner, you probably would have just stopped out. But for a 1-to-1 trade, it was absolutely beautiful. And this is exactly what happened. So what you could do, as you know, I don't trade support and resistance levels. But if you wanted to do that, you could also take your buy position right here because you know that there's so much liquidity around this area that needs to be grabbed. So when you see that the price tapped into this level, you take your sell position here, your TP here, your stop loss here, and you take your profit. You take your profit around this area, and after that you notice that we have a few bullish engulfing candles or a few green candles after grabbing the liquidity around this area because none of them closed below this level. So there's no candle below this level. They're just shadows. So it means that the liquidity is grabbed and now the price is ready to go back up. But I personally don't trade that setup. So that's why I just took my sell position, and that was over. So this is for EURUSD, which was a beautiful one, guys, and I want to show you what happened with and now it's here. I want to show you what happened with GBPUSD. GBPUSD was a good one too that I kind of liked this morning. And the GBPUSD was interesting because we had a sell position on EURUSD, but on GBPUSD you could literally buy the market, and I show you why. Where is that? Oh, I kind of lost it here. Okay, so I'm gonna do a replay exactly at 8 a.m. where New York sessions literally opened, and here, as you can see, the market is definitely trend, so it's almost the same as EURUSD. But if you switch your time frame to 50 minutes and kind of have a general overview on the market, you'll notice that we have a high probability demand zone right here. This is a high probability demand zone. See, and if I switch my time frame to 5 minutes again, you notice that this is a very good indicator that the price is trying to go back up, and this is exactly happened. See, it would have been a beautiful trade if I got into this trade, because it was very clean. The high probability demand zone was very clean, and you could literally see that it's happening. It's respecting this high probability order block. And if you could take your trade, you know, somewhere around here and put your stop loss here and your TP, and your TP here, it would be a almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio trade, which was absolutely amazing, guys. Look at this. It's a beautiful setup. Although we had a bearish trend and we had this, you know, I couldn't actually wait for that, but for the first sell momentum. So that's why it would be a really good trade if you wanted to take a buy position. So far so good for these two pairs that happened this morning on GBPUSD and EURUSD. But I want to show you the results of Gold Incubator and how many trades it took in the past 24 hours during London session. And this is the results that we have on my FX book. By the way, the link is in the description. You can join our Telegram channel for daily EA updates and see exactly what's going on with the EA. And we installed this brand new account in March 7th, and today's date is March 14th. And in overall, we are up 24% in profit. And this is a real account on $1,000, and we are up $247. And this is my VPS account if you want to see more results. Today's date 14th, and these are all the trades that it took. We have a few lost trades, but using this strategy, it actually compensated all of that, and we closed the day with over 1% profit, which was absolutely mind-blowing. And by the way, if you know, as you might be aware of, Gold Incubator, you can try it for 7 days for free, and the only thing you need to do is to check out smartincubator.com, grab your license, and then send us an email or a message on WhatsApp. Then we'll manually activate your account, and you can use it for 7 days for free and enjoy the profits. So if you have any question, you know what to do. Drop your comment here. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.